Alright guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube if you don't know how to. So what you want to do first is you want to find, there's these pieces. This is called the centerpiece. This is called an edge piece. There's 4 edge pieces, 1, 2, 3, and then there's corner pieces that aren't edge or centers. So what you want to do now is we're going to find the white one, the white center. This is what you're going to form a cross on, but now don't worry about that. You want to find the yellow center. Now what you want to do is you want to find white edge pieces, and you want to you want to move them up, and so it looks like a daisy. So here's one, and you can do it here. And by the way, this is not gonna be the same for your cube. It's usually different. And then you can put this one up here. Where's the other one? The other one's right here. I could go like this and scoot over and go up. So now there's a daisy. That's what you want to have if you're. This is beginner method, by the way, because that's why I'm using the daisy. If big cubers watching, like they're like, da, da, da. I know CFOP. Don't call me baby if you're cuber watching this. So now what you want to do is find. You just want to use one of these. You use all of them eventually, but let's just focus on like this one. It doesn't really matter which one, but I'm just going to use this one. And now you want to scoot it over so that they're matching the same color. So here's orange and orange. And now what you want to do is turn it down twice. So 1, 2. And now it puts it down there. So now you want to do that for all of them. So match it down. Match it's already matched. Down. Match it down. Alright, so this is the white cross now. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put the corner pieces in here so the white side solves. So what you want to do is find one here. So if it's on the side here, that's what you want. So, and I'll show you the other cases, by the way, if it's not. So like here, if it's like solved in the wrong spot, what you want to do is you want to just move it up. And if it's on like the bottom point, like if it's like on the top, then you move it up and move it over twice. And then it'll go back. So what you want to do to solve it is you want to find it, and you want to, on this side, you want to match it diagonally so they're the same color, and go up, over, down. And do that for everyone. I'll do it fast. And if you see this, you can get the other part solved. So what you do is you match it with the color that's up here, and you do the opposite side. So up, insert down, and then you have that one also in there. So just do it real here quick. Okay, so now that we're going to do the second layer, so now what we're going to do is find a non-yellow edge piece. So, for example, this would not work. This would not work because they're yellow. So what you want to do is, here's one, because there's blue up here and not yellow. So what you want to do is match it to the same color, and you want to look this color. So this color is blue. You want to look on both sides. This is green. That's not blue. You want to try to match them. And then this is blue. So now what you want to do is turn the opposite way. So, for example, blue is on the left side, so you want to turn this to the right side. And then on the side that you found the color that matched, you want to go up and over, down, and then go back over. And then you want to insert it like I just showed you. And now it's in there. So I will just do that. Oh, and by the way, if you have one that's in here to get out, like see all these are yellow, what you want to do is just go up, over, down, and then you want to put this piece back, and then it's out. So now the second layer is solved. Now what we're going to do is the yellow cross. Sometimes it's already solved. For this example, it is. But the algorithm that you want to do is really whatever it is. If it's like, pretend like it's like these three. You want to put it on the bottom and go. You want to have 2 layers move, and then you go up, over, down, over. So yeah, and then so if you have a horizontal line or just a dot, you want to do the same thing but just with 1 layer. So we're gonna skip that part right now because we don't have it, but I basically just told you guys how to do it. So what we're gonna do now is we want to make sure that all of these are matching, which they're not. So what I mean by matching is like this one match, this one doesn't match, this one doesn't match, and this one doesn't match. So you want to try to find two that match next to each other, so like this, and then, but if they don't never do that, and they're just like one's on the front, one's on the back, then you can just do the same thing. You just do the same thing basically, but until you get to that point. So now what I want to do is put one on the right and one on the back, and now what I want to do is go up, over, down, over, up, and then you want to put the white piece back in there, so just turn back, go down. And now they should be matched. These are matched like normal, and now these are matched. Now the next step is the corners. So how you want to tell if the corners are matched? For example, let me just twist that real quick. How you can tell is for here, blue, you'll find the centerpieces. So blue and red. This is blue. Don't worry about the yellow. This is blue. So blue, and then this is red. And if it's solved like how I just had it, like here, then that means it's solved already. You don't have to worry about it. So this one's not solved. This one's not. And this one's not. So you want to have the one that is. And if you don't have any, don't worry. Just do the same thing. It doesn't matter how you hold the cube. So except for if you have one, then put it on the right side on the front. And what I want to do is turn the cube. You want to turn the top over and then go up, and then turn over again and turn up, and then turn over this way and go down, and turn over this way and go down. So now that one's normal. That one's matching. This one, so orange, orange, blue, blue, that's matching. So green, green, orange, orange, red, red, green, green. So now they're all matching. And you basically just do that until they're matching. They usually won't go first try, but you just do that until they're matching. So now what you want to do is you want to flip the cube upside down. And you want to have it in a spot like here, so it's not solved yellow beneath. And when you go is up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, until there's yellow. And you want to move this over. And do the up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, and scoot over. And do it again, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over. And now you have it solved. And that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube beginner method. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.